Hey everybody, I hope you got some great value out of the last several days of training about the online course business. I tried to pour everything I could into it to give you tremendous value and for you to see that not only can you build a high ticket program, but you should build a high ticket program so that you can serve your clients at the highest level possible, right? And so I just want to let you know that we're going to be shutting the group down in a few days. So this is your chance to watch all of those videos if you haven't already. If you happen to miss one or two or all of them, go back and into the group, hit the featured tab at the top, and that'll show you all 4 of the sessions in order. And that way you get all the value before we completely shut this group down. So I also want to make sure that you understand that we do have 3 ways for you to work with me. One is the do-it-yourself course, where you simply have the entire course. It's a 12-part 12-lesson course. It's power-packed with just the most important stuff you need to know to be successful with your online course program, and specifically with a higher ticket online course program, right? The beauty of a higher ticket program is it only takes a few sales for you to be making a really nice income, and you can start really helping your clients at a really high level. You can afford to spend more time with them. You can afford to work with them more so that they get the transformation that they're looking for. So, and we've talked about that in the 4 sessions. Be sure to go review those if you haven't already. So we're going to be shutting the group down on Monday, and that gives you a few days to determine whether you want to do the do-it-yourself program, the done with you program, and that's where you get the course plus a year of coaching with me through the entire year, helping you get your online course program done, and the done for you, that's the 3rd option, where my team and I do all the marketing for you. And so those are the 3 options. To learn more about those options, we're asking you to book a call with my assistant, Danny. She'll get on the phone with you and she'll walk you through the 3 options, everything you get in all of the 3 options. And that way you can determine which one is the best fit for you so that we can start 2023 off with a bang and have amazing success in the coming years. So be sure to take a look at all the videos. If you haven't already, watch those videos, take notes, get all the value you can out of them before we shut the group down. And then be sure to book your call by going to infopreneurcoaching.com, and I'll put the link down below. That's infopreneurcoaching.com. You'll book a call with Danny, my assistant, and she'll walk you through the different options. And we just want to be sure that you have the right fit, the right program that fits you and your situation right now, and how you can get involved in the best way possible so that you have the most success possible through this program. So do that now before you miss it and before we shut everything down. And we'll see you soon inside the program.